A talk about here and now.
What are you doing right now?
I am sitting at the table and drinking water.
Where are you at the moment?
I am at home in the living room.
What are you working on right now?
I am listening to English and speaking softly.
Why are you learning English right now?
I learn English because I want to speak better daily.
How are you learning at the moment?
I listen to short talks and repeat the lines.
What is hard for you right now?
Free speaking is hard for me right now.
What helps you learn right now?
Slow sentences and clear examples help me now.
How do you feel at the moment?
I feel focused but a bit tired.
What do you need now to go on?
I need quiet time right now.
What exactly are you hearing now?
I hear easy talks about daily topics.
What are you repeating right now?
I repeat sentences with now and right now.
Where can you use English right now?
I use English now for study and writing.
What are you not doing right now?
I am not working and not planning anything.
What is important to you at this moment?
It is important for me to stay calm now.
How is your mood now?
My mood is calm and steady now.
What distracts you right now?
Noises distract me a little right now.
What do you do about that now?
I sit still and breathe slowly.
What do you want to be able to say now?
I want to speak clear and simple English now.
What are you practicing on purpose right now?
I am practicing saying full sentences.
What helps you the most with that?
Clear questions and real answers help me now.
How long can you focus right now?
I can focus well for about 10 minutes.
What do you do after studying?
After studying, I take a short break.
How does this moment feel?
This moment feels calm and meaningful now. A talk about today.
How does your day start today?
Today I start slow and without stress.
Do you wake up early or late today?
Today I get up a bit later.
What do you do first today?
Today I drink coffee and check my phone.
Do you read news today?
Yes, today I read a little.
Is something special on your mind today?
Today I think a lot about my tasks.
Are you working today or off?
Today I am off.
How do you use your free time today?
Today I study English and tidy up.
Do you study long today or only short?
Today I study only a short time.
What exactly do you learn today?
Today I practice questions and answers.
Do you also speak English out loud today?
Yes, today I speak a bit aloud.
What is easy for you today?
Reading is easy for me today.
And what is hard today?
Listening is still hard today.
Do you eat at home or outside today?
Today I eat at home.
Do you cook yourself today?
Yes, today I cook something simple.
What exactly do you cook today?
Today I cook vegetables with rice.
Sounds good.
Yes, today I eat mindfully.
Will you go out today?
Yes, today I go outside for fresh air.
How do you feel overall today?
Today I feel calm and happy. A conversation about yesterday.
How was your day yesterday?
Yesterday my day was quiet and okay.
Did you work yesterday?
Yes, I worked yesterday.
Was it a long workday yesterday?
No, the workday was not very long.
Was it stressful for you yesterday?
No, it was calm and easy.
What did you do after work yesterday?
I went straight home after work.
Did you walk home yesterday?
Yes, I walked.
Did you cook something at home yesterday?
Yes, I cooked something simple.
What did you cook yesterday?
I cooked rice with vegetables.
Did you eat alone?
Yes, I ate alone.
Did it taste good to you?
Yes, it tasted good.
Were you in the kitchen long yesterday?
No, I was not in there long.
What did you do after eating yesterday?
I sat on the couch for a bit.
Did you rest yesterday?
Yes, I rested a little.
Did you call someone yesterday?
Yes, I called a friend.
When did you call him?
I called him in the early evening.
What did you talk about?
We talked about work and daily life.
Was the talk long yesterday?
No, it was rather short.
Did you feel better after that?
Yes, the talk was good for me.
Did you also study English yesterday?
Yes, I studied English yesterday, but
When did you study English?
I studied in the afternoon.
What did you learn yesterday?
I learned new words and short sentences.
Did you speak a lot yesterday?
No, I read more than I spoke.
Did you listen to anything in English yesterday?
Yes, I listened to a short dialogue.
What did you do last night?
I watched a movie last night.
Did you watch the movie alone?
Yes, I watched the movie alone.
Was the movie exciting?
It was interesting, but quite calm.
Were you tired yesterday?
Yes, I was tired in the evening.
Did you go to bed late yesterday?
No, I went to bed early.
Did you sleep well yesterday?
Yes, I slept well.
How did you feel overall yesterday?
I felt tired but satisfied. A conversation about tomorrow.
What will you do tomorrow?
Tomorrow I work in the morning.
Do you start early?
Yes, I start early tomorrow.
What time does work start tomorrow?
Tomorrow I start at 8.
How will you get to work tomorrow?
Tomorrow I take the bus.
Is the bus full in the morning?
Yes, it is often quite full.
Do you have much to do tomorrow?
Yes, I have some tasks tomorrow.
Which tasks do you have tomorrow?
Tomorrow I answer emails and set meetings.
Sounds tiring.
A bit, but it's okay.
Will you work alone or in a team?
Tomorrow I work with 2 coworkers.
Will you take breaks tomorrow?
Yes, I take a break at noon.
How long is your break tomorrow?
My break is 30 minutes.
What do you do in the break?
I will eat and step outside.
Will you eat something hot or cold tomorrow?
I will eat something small and hot.
Will you study English tomorrow too?
Yes, tomorrow I study English again.
When will you study English tomorrow?
I study in the afternoon tomorrow.
Will you study at home or outside?
Tomorrow I study at home.
What do you want to learn tomorrow?
I want to practice questions and answers.
Will you study alone or with material?
I will study alone with short texts.
That fits well with your day.
Yes, I need it often.
What will you do after work tomorrow?
Tomorrow I will meet a friend.
Where will you meet tomorrow?
We will meet in the park tomorrow.
Will you meet inside or outside?
We will meet outside tomorrow.
What will you do together tomorrow?
We will walk and talk.
Will you stay outside for long tomorrow?
No, I will not stay long.
Do you have plans tomorrow evening?
No, tomorrow evening I stay home.
What will you do at home tomorrow evening?
I will rest and sleep early.
Then you can get new energy.
Yes, that is my plan for tomorrow.
Are you looking forward to tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow will be a good day. A conversation about plans.
Do you have plans for the near future?
Yes, I have a few simple plans.
What kind of plans do you mean?
I want to learn more and get organized.
Is that for work or personal life?
For both, step by step.
Do you have a fixed plan or loose ideas?
Mostly loose ideas. I do not plan strictly.
That sounds relaxed.
Yes, too much planning stresses me.
Do you plan anything for the weekend?
Yes, I want to rest and take a walk.
Alone or with someone?
Probably alone.
Do you also schedule time for study?
Yes, I plan some study time every day.
How long do you study then?
Usually 20 to 30 minutes.
That is doable.
Yes, it keeps me going.
Do you have a plan for English?
Yes, I want to speak more.
With whom will you speak?
With friends or online?
Do you have set times for that?
Not yet, but I want to change that. A talk about dreams.
Do you often think about your dreams?
Yes, I often think about what I will do later.
What will you want to do in the next years?
I will keep learning English and speak it with confidence
Why is that important to you?
because I want to work and communicate better later.
What work do you want to do?
I want to find a job that is fun.
Will you need to learn something for that?
Yes, I will need to learn new skills.
Do you want to stay in Germany?
Yes, I want to stay here and feel at home.
Will you build a life here?
Yes, I will build my life step by step.
What will you change first?
I will speak more and fear less.
Do you also want to travel?
Yes, I want to see other countries.
Where will you travel first?
I might travel to Italy first.
Will you travel alone or with someone?
I would rather travel with someone.
What do you wish for your life?
I wish to become calm and content.
Do you think your dreams will change?
Yes, they will surely change.
Is that okay for you?
Yes, I will stay open.
Then you will find your way.
Yes, I believe that too.